Hi everyone, it's Peter here, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to an extension called Mote. So Mote allows you to give voice feedback using Google Classroom, Docs, Sheets or Slides, and it's available from a Chrome web store, and you can do a one-click install from here. And once you've installed Mote, you'll see it appear with all of your other extensions in Chrome. And if you want to pin it, just find it in the list here and select the pin icon, and you can pin it to the top bar just there. Okay, so let's switch over to Google Slides now, and I'll demonstrate how Mote works. All we need to do is select a portion of the text, and we can either use the comment icon up here to add a comment, or I can right click on here and select comment from here. And then you'll notice I've got a new Mote icon up here. So this is the first time I've used Mote on this browser. So all I need to do, first of all, is to allow the microphone. So what I need to do now is select this icon, and then I can leave my feedback for my learners. So let's select record now. This is an example of providing verbal feedback to students using Mote. Okay, so now it's recorded my feedback, and all I need to do is press comment. It's now automatically saved the feedback I've left. I can either play it back by pressing the play icon here, or you'll notice it's also transcribed, or at least attempted to transcribe what I have said. I can edit this by pressing the edit icon here, and I can either correct this or instead type something like click here to listen to feedback. And now let's press save and exit. Now the feedback I just recorded was actually very short, but the free version of Mote lets you record feedback for up to 30 seconds, or the unlimited version, which we've upgraded to at Barton Peveril, allows you to record up to 90 seconds of feedback. It's also worth mentioning that you can actually create an unlimited number of Motes. Okay, so now let's switch over to Google Classroom and see how Mote performs in here. So I've got an assignment which has been handed in from one of my students. So if I click on here and open it up, and let's select a portion of the text again and add a comment, and let's add another Mote. Okay, so here's another example of feedback using Mote. Now let's comment on this. And now if I edit this comment again and press the Save As button, and let's give us a name. Okay, now it's saved. Let's exit out of there. And now if I select another piece of text and add another comment, and instead of just clicking the Mote icon this time, and if I hold this icon down, it brings up something called Remotebook, which is a feature available to the unlimited users of Mote. And you can see here it's now pulled back the example comment I just recorded. So this functions pretty much like the comment bank in Google Classroom and allows you to store up a catalogue of comments in Mote, which is a nice time-saving feature. And there we go, it's inserted my voice feedback into here, and I can leave that as another comment. Another feature I quite like in Mote is the fact that you can use emojis. So if I select another portion of the text and now click on the comment icon, and to get an emoji, all I need to do is press colon and then start typing a keyword for an emoji. Let's give a student a thumbs up. I can hit comment, and it's just a nice way of making comments a bit more fun and personal for the students. Okay, and now if we just take a look over on the right hand side, you'll notice that you can also use Mote with the private comments in Google Classroom as well. And before we finish this video, I just wanted to show you one last feature. So if we select the Mote extension up here on the top right, so if I click on there and then select My Activity and Engagement, the activity page lets you see all of the feedback you've ever recorded using Mote and listen to that back. But a nice feature in here is that if I scroll down, I can also see that when learners have listened to that feedback, and I can also see their reaction to it. So whether they've understood and actioned that, or whether they haven't understood that and more clarification is needed. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you'd like to hear more, please do get in touch, and remember to press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.